Hey everybody, it's Ben here. I'm at the New York Toy Fair and behind me is the SMA Circle. It's billed as the world's smallest e-bike. Now it doesn't have operable pedals, so it's just electric only. You twist the throttle and go, but it's really small. It's got a really cool way that it folds up. The wheels fold up right into the middle. The seat itself comes off as the separate rechargeable battery pack. You know, if you didn't want to take the whole thing inside, you can just take off the battery pack. Really, really cool. I'm going to see about getting some more details on these, and I'm hoping to be able to get my hands on one in the near future so that I can test it out. Unfortunately, at an event like this, they're not doing, free test rides or anything like that, but it's fun. It'll take me a few minutes to get used to the steering here, but you know, it's quiet and it goes, and of course it gives you the classic EV grin, like every electric vehicle, smooth and quiet, and off you go, and a lot of fun. And I look forward to getting to play around with one of these a little bit more sometime.